This is a stainless steel sword that I bought from the website, from some internet website. The blade, I make it shorter and cut it, and I done it very smaller one. This was the old tsuka for this sword. You see, it's shorter tsuka. I replaced it with this tsuka. On this tsuka it was black tsukaito. Now it's brown tsukaito. This tsuba, it was on this sword. I put another tsuba. It's bigger. I think it's no, it's the same. In this part, the kujirushi, this was the original for this sword. It was over here on the saya, and this part, it's gonna be over here on the saya. This is how it looks, the saya, when I finish. I want to do it with green and brown, but I decided to leave it like this. Everything is polished and smooth with lacquer. This part I made it too. It's made from wood, not from buffalo horn, the original. Finish this sword. Just need to put over here some rope. And it's really finished.